Start your business?
Paano ka daw nagsimula dun sa business?
Ano rin po, yung nung pumunta sa amin yung ASCII, sinabi nila na yung programa nila, sabi ko naman, okay kung ganoon.
Dati na po kayo may business noon?
Dati na.
Paano po kayo nagsimula dun sa business na yun?
Ano lang po, nung mga anak ko, binigyan ako ng punan na 3,000. Tapos umutang ako ng ASCII ng 5,000. Yun na dinagdagan.
Yung mga anak niyo po na may trabaho, some of her children who are already working at that time gave her 3,000 pesos to start a business. And then when ASCII came to their place, to here, their place, she availed a loan of 5,000 pesos.
Okay. What are your hopes for the future?
Pangarap mo.
Pangarap ko lang sa akin, makatapos sana pa yung anak ko na dalawang makapag-aral.
She still have 2 children who are currently studying right now, and she hopes that they will finish their studies.
Okay.
Because she's getting older, and that's it.
Okay. Thank you.